Hello everybody. I hope it's recording because I don't see anything. The indication is over there. Okay. So today I'm experimenting with my Vaio. So Sony Vaio, and I oh, it's outside. I watched lots of videos how to do it, and I was thinking to try it out on my own, because this computer's somewhat not working, even though it has Windows 7, but it doesn't have Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's running. What's up with my phone? I can't even see it. Oh, I guess I have to move it a little. Oh, okay, it's running good. Okay, I'm just recording it for my own references. But if I will be able to fix it, I'll be lucky. Because I've seen people using a glue gun to fix some problems in it and what's not. So first, of course, I put out the battery. Second, I'm gonna put the hard drive out. Yeah, for that, I would probably better bring some tools. Yeah, my tools are in another room. Yeah, I would probably want to bring some tools. Okay, that one is really easy to pull out, because in my other laptop, compact, what's its name, HP Pavilion, it's really hard to distinguish where it goes, because it doesn't have this part. I mean, this part goes vertically on it. So this one is not going very well in there. So I'm trying to get the hard drive in, and I'm not successful with my compact Vaio. But this one is pretty easy. It's self-explanatory. I've been doing it in the past many times. So that's the memory cards, the SIM, 1 gigabyte and 2 gigabytes. Putting it out so you could start seeing the motherboard. I have a problems with the power jack right there, so it would make sense to see what's going on in here, and I'm hoping that just messing with that would work. Yeah, that one goes in opposite direction over there for some reason. In my other laptop, this one goes like in another side. Okay, so how many of those screws I have here? I have to count them, 15 or something like that. That's a lot of screws in here. And people are having magnetic hard drive, but this one doesn't seem like it's magnetic anymore. Okay, it does. Okay, one is going. One. Yeah, I gotta be careful because it's the ground underneath, and it's very dirty. If I drop any screw, I'm not gonna see the end of it. I'm not gonna be able to find it. I don't know what's in my frame. I definitely don't need any of these candles in my frame. Yeah, I'm going all over the place. Okay, so originally I was gonna sell this laptop, but then I figured it's not sellable really, because it's like so many issues it has. First I put it used on eBay, and then I put it, cut down the price. Oh, those are different. I should probably put them aside. After used, I changed it to parts only, something like that. Used for parts only, something like that. So long one goes on the side, and short one goes in here. I have to memorize that. So here goes long one. Okay, long one goes inside here. Let's see, what is it? What are we up to? 5. Yeah, 5. So 3 long ones, 2 short ones. Short one again. Weird. Here was a short one. Okay, even shorter one. Right there. Shorter one. And again, might be not original, because I did it many times. Oh, see? Doesn't have any cord. No wonder it's not readable. Okay. Yep. Good. I'm not... how to say... I probably will take it out of sale, because, for parts only, it's a different story. Okay. What are we up to? I already lost count. 4 big ones. Well, I don't actually need this phone in the frame, but it's beautiful. I probably need just a tray. Okay, no matter how beautiful it is, I need just a tray. Okay, 4 big ones, 2 short ones, 1 really, really short one. Another long one. So what is it? 5 long ones, 7, 8. About half of them. Ooh. It's going, you guys. It's scary. They're going pretty easy, because I don't know how many times I've been doing it. Many. And that one, probably originally I would have to have some elbow grease or to unscrew it originally from the manufacturer, but then it would start going easier and easier and easier, because I wouldn't screw it all the way in. I was like, oh no, I don't want to, I will be unscrewing it again. And now it's been, many years? Maybe 4, 5 years, maybe more, 6, 7 years. Yeah, I doubt I'll sell it. First they originally offered me $150 for that. I was thinking it's too small price, $150. I said no. In the pawn shop, $150. I said no. Now, I will be lucky, because eBay is not gonna give me $150. eBay has outrageously huge price on it. Oh my gosh, it's stripped down. Yep, can't get it. Oh, I see. I guess the experiment is over. Oh my gosh. If I press some more, yeah, it's stripped down. I can't do that. It's no longer turning. Both of them stripped down. Oh no. No, this one is still good. This one is still good. Oh gosh. The one is stripped down. Wow. Okay, that's pretty much all of them, I think. But I totally forgot the deal with that. Ay, ay, ay. The deal of it that I can't take it out. No, that's probably why I stopped messing with that. Yeah, I have to do some kind of trick or something to pull this screw out. It's not gonna work. The screw is really bad. I don't know if you could see it or not. Yeah. Yeah, even if I would try, that would just break. Oh no. That means I can't fix the power supply. Just right here. Right here. The power supply is right here. Maybe just messing with that would work. No. No. The jack is bad. Yeah, I would have to take it all apart. It's starting to give me some kind of little parts in it here and there. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't really know how to take apart the stripped. Oh, maybe it will go. Okay, maybe it will go. Maybe I'm lucky. Maybe that will go. There should be some little screws somewhere here and there too. Good seeing it's very sunny environment here. It's like a really strong light. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Wireless card? No wonder it's not working. He was turning off. It was off. No, you want computer. I mean, read your manual. That's what it is. Read your manual, you guys. That's what it is. I was going to go graduate AA with the computers. Yeah, see? But then, I have so much practice, and it's practice. Maybe I will just get a diploma with that, go to work with that, computers, in the computer field. Tin. And I will learn how to unscrew the strip. Oh, okay, it's out. Thanks God. Hope I'll find the extra one like this. I'll set it separately. Okay, maybe that will do. Yay. Still one more. Still one more somewhere. I have to be very, very careful with all that. Of course. Okay, I better go get my tools. Well, of course, it wouldn't do. Because it's the... why it's blinking? Is it even recording? They usually go pretty bad when it's too hot. Anyways, so the disassembly should be going from the top. And I think there is a somewhere you take out of all this keyboard, and after the keyboard is out, you can disassemble the whole thing. Something is going on with my recording device on this sun. That's what it is. It's blinking. Hot temperatures on the sun because it's Arizona. Oh yeah, unfortunately. I don't know if it's the same Vaio, because online it says take the keyboard out, and after that you can take everything else out. Interesting. I don't want to break anything, you guys. Yeah, that should be. Oh yeah, seems like it. Oh, no. Maybe it's a different model. Oh, let me see. Oh yeah, somebody already broke it. Maybe it was me. That is like a different model. Oh yeah, I will have to fix it again. Yeah, that's part. The part is going. Wow. Yeah, that is sitting there for good. I don't know. I don't want to proceed and spoil it even worse. I think there is a cable. There's two cables. It shouldn't be sitting there so strong. It feels like it's glued to it. It's not supposed to. Oh, I see. Probably I glued it when I glued that piece in. Yeah, the guy was taking out this thing pretty easily. Doesn't seem like it's working. Okay. Oh, my iPhone is overheating. Not good, not good. Yeah, seems like somehow it got glued at some point, and if I try to pull it farther, it will break. How he did it? He just pulled it out really easily. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that somewhere got glued by accident. I have a tool to pull it out too. Yeah, I need to bring in another tool.